Cordoba, and I'll be talking about how nonverbal communication is used in engineering. So, engineering is a field that I have couple years of experience in, and it's a field where I would like to build a career on. You know, yeah, is one of my main interests. It's like if I wasn't doing engineering, I honestly don't know what I would do. And communication, right? By now, I do understand that communication is more important for than just like talking to each other. It has a lot of aspects that go on with it, how we receive, how we interpret, how we perceive messages. And so I like the nonverbal aspect because it's like the aspect that goes unseen in communication almost. We think of communication, we think of talking, but nonverbal is also very important. And we use nonverbal communication engineering with designs and blueprints, presentations, and body language and cues. And now we'll go a bit into deeper for each of them. Engineering drawings and designs. So, drawing for an engineer is very important because we have to make them as well and easy to understand as possible, right? Because the paper isn't going to talk to you. The paper isn't going to tell you how to make the part. So, or isn't going to speak to you on how to make the part. So, the drawing gives instructions. Some of them show materials. They have to show the project number, the part number. Show location means that if it's a continuous run of parts, it's sort of like a map and it tells you where every part goes. They have pictures and it's overall just a guide, right? So on this drawing, you can see that it has the picture of the overall part, some dimensions, diameters, lengths, widths, and heights. Here are some basic instructions. Break all sharp edges implies that it's a fragile sort of material. So it doesn't give a clear material specification, but as long as you're able to break sharp edges, then that should be enough, basically. This is a pretty basic design, right? So it's nothing too crazy. And yeah, it didn't speak to me, but I'm able to understand what to do and how to design it, how to make the part, how to build it. Presentations. So presentations are important because you have to watch your tone, your pauses, delivery, and facial expressions as the communicator, because that's how you're most able to effectively get your message across. As a receiver, nodding, even mimicking sometimes helps, and making eye contact with the presenter. It helps show that you're able to understand, and it gives the presenter confidence that you will be able to successfully build a part, successfully get the project done. For virtual aspects, I just mean that a lot of the times, you're working with customers from out of state or not in your building. So when you present over online, like through Teams or Zoom, you gotta watch your virtual aspects because most of the time you're gonna have your camera off. So your tone is very important. Your delivery, your presentations, they gotta be well done and be able to communicate without using direct words. Body language and cues is mostly important out on the field. Right here's a picture of a crane operator, and you're not gonna be able to directly communicate with the person driving and controlling the crane. So hand signals are important. Leaning in during conversation can mean, say I'm doing a design review for someone, I lean in, and it may cause stress to the designer, but to me it's like, oh yeah, I'm showing interest. Taking a more careful view, a more careful look on the design. Not standing up straight, avoiding eye contact can show ignorance, even lack of confidence. Your professional appearance helps with your like grooming and stuff, make you look like you actually have some powers, have a high position. And spatial awareness, stand behind the machine, let everyone know that they need to keep a safe distance. And this is my academic article. I'm running out of time. I don't want to go over 5 minutes, so thank you.